Hey guys, welcome back to the Crumb Cake Kitchen. Today we'll be making chocolate sails. Pour a generous amount of tempered chocolate onto a sheet of parchment paper and spread it around with an offset spatula. I like to pick up the paper and give it a shake to evenly distribute the chocolate, and it helps to make the edges of my sails more interesting. Once you're happy with the size, use small clips to create waves and give your sail added character. Be careful not to let different sections of the sail touch each other while you're doing this, as you'll have difficulty removing the parchment after without breaking the sail. You're only limited by your imagination here, so get creative. Place the completed sail in the fridge for 30 minutes to set. Once your sail is fully set, carefully remove the clips from the parchment paper. The sail is delicate, so be sure to take your time separating it from the parchment. You'll be rewarded for your patience. There you go, a beautiful sail to grace the top of any cake. If you choose to use a silicone mat, make sure you put the textured side facing down on the table. Otherwise, you'll see the texture in the final product. Pour a generous amount of tempered chocolate into the center of the mat. Lift the mat off the table and let the chocolate flow to evenly distribute it. Give the mat a good shake to create interesting edges and detail. You can highlight these details later with a metallic paint to make your sail come alive. Carefully place the mat over a tall bottle or glass. Mold the mat to the shape you desire and allow it to hang freely. Place the bottle or glass in the fridge for 30 minutes to set. Lift the sail and mat off the bottle and gently begin to separate them. As I was removing this sail, I realized that it's much more difficult to use a silicone mat than parchment paper. The silicone really grabs a hold of the chocolate, and the parchment just releases it when it's set. As you can see, I broke this sail, but no worries. These pieces can still be used on another cake or saved and tempered again for future use. It's a good idea to make more than you need in case you break your sail when removing it from the paper or mat. The second sail separated from the parchment paper easily. There you have it, 2 different chocolate sails. I usually paint the tips for added drama, and sometimes I even fill the bowl with treats. One of my favorite ways to dress a cake is with a beautiful chocolate sail. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and ring the bell for future notifications. Thank you for watching.